Okay, I'm trying to change the idler tire for my Teac V-7. You see, I ordered the idler tire already. It's giving me some trouble. It doesn't want to play and fast forward. So I was able to order this one from eBay, and this one is for a Teac. Let me show you. This one would be for a Teac A60, 660 and A77. It's the same idler tire. As you can see the measurement right here in millimeters, you know. So you can see 23 by 18 by 2.5. So, and I got it right here, you see. So I'm trying to see if I can get to the idler tire through the front. So I'm gonna have to remove this screw right here, you see. So I can move this plate out of the way, you know. So I want to see if I can have access to the idler tire that way, you know. So let me try this right now. You can see this one has a spring too. I wonder yeah, I have to remove that spring, I think. So, but let me try it this way first. I'm gonna remove this screw right here. You see this one right here. And then I want to see if I can move this out of the way, and I can have access to the idler tire through the front. I'm gonna try it this way. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to remove the back of the mechanism. That's just it's gonna have to be done. I didn't want to go over that, but it will have to be done. You know? Okay, so let me start by removing the screw to see what happens. Okay, guys, so yeah, it works. You know, so I moved this out of the way, and I was able to move the faceplate out of the way, and this is the light that connects to here, you see. So when you put it back, make sure this is hooked to there. And then you see I'm gonna have to remove this C-clip right here. I have to be careful with that because they get lost very easily, you know. So I have to be careful that when I pull it out, it doesn't fly away. If it flies away, I will never find it, you know? But I got a bunch of C-clips with me, you know, that I ordered, very small ones from eBay. So from Amazon, I think I did, or eBay, yeah. And then I can put it back in case it gets lost. But I want to make sure it stays as original as I can. So I'm gonna remove that C-clip, and then I'm gonna have to see if I can pull this back, and then get access to the idler tire that way. Okay. So wish me good luck. So you see, guys, I was able to remove it that way. You see, so I removed the C-clip and I put it on a piece of tape like that, so it doesn't fly away, you know. And then you see, this is the way this goes. Let me show you. So make sure when you put it back, it will go like this, you see, like this. So, and then I'm gonna be able to clean a little more that area, you know. Yes, let me see, and I can even grease it a little more too. Okay, so we're gonna start by removing this. Oh yeah, the idler tire is pretty worn out, you know. It's pretty old in comparison to the new one, you see. So I did it to the front, so thanks God I don't have to remove all the mechanism on the back because it would have been hotter, you know. Okay, so let me start doing this. Okay, guys, another detail. Look, you see the idler tire is strapped inside here. So with a flat screwdriver, I have to carefully remove this part right here, and this is gonna move this out of the way too. So you see, and you have a spring right there, so you gotta be careful with the spring right there, you see. So with a flat screwdriver, I have to move this out of the way. I've done the Teac C3X before, and it's pretty much similar to this one. I did it a long time ago. I can't even remember though, you know. So yeah, but that's the way you do it with a screwdriver. Little by little, you move this out of the way, and then at the same time this one too. So, and that way I can free the idler tire, and just put a new one in there, you know. I don't even, you have a C-clip right there too, you see, but I won't even remove that. I'm just gonna go put it on top of that, you know. Okay, here we go. Let me try it now. Okay, so I removed it, guys. So as you can see, it's not that bad, you know. The problem with this idler tire is it's very hard. It is extremely hard, you know. So that's why it wasn't getting any grip, you know. It's just extremely hard, you see. Yeah, you can feel it. It's very hard. So pretty much like a piece of plastic, you know. So it slips very easily. This one, and this one, you can see is more gluey, you know. Okay, so let me start the process. I'm gonna have to do some cleaning because there's a lot of a grease in there that I applied before, you know. So I had to clean it really well because if not, the other new idler tire is gonna slip really easily too, you know. So let me start this process right now by cleaning with some alcohol all this area, and then I'll be able to put everything back together. So I put it back in there, guys, and I put back the C-clips like you can see, you know. So and All right, so hopefully this time it's gonna work, you know. Okay, so everything looks correct, and this is the one that attaches. I'm gonna have to grease all that area now, you see. So I have a nice lubrication. I have a nice lubrication on all that area. Okay, got it, guys. So I got it. Finally, you know, I was able to repair the idler tire, and then now it works really well, you know. I changed the belt, like I showed you on my last video, and it was just struggling to. It would rewind and fast forward, you know, but it would sometimes it would have a hard time rewinding and fast forward, and trying to fast forward. But the playing, it was just playing for a few seconds and then it would stop. So, like I showed you, the idler tire was really dry, you know. So I got new idler tire and new belts. Hopefully, and it sounds pretty good. It sounds decent, you know. So it's a very nice sounding deck, you know. I'm not gonna say it sounds like my Nakamichi 670 right there, but it sounds really good, you know, really good. It's a 3-head. We're gonna have to test the recording ability though, too, you know. So all right, okay, guys. So hopefully that will help you repair your Teac V-7 cassette deck. Okay.